Hello guys, and today I want to show you how to make a train ticketing system in Visual Studio 2012. Right now let me open the program and see how it works. Here I have the program which I have already created on Visual Studio 2012. The program is named as Demo Train Ticketing System. I'll click open, and upon opening it says preparing solution. So let us wait and see how it looks like and how it works. Upon opening, I have form 1, which this is a login form. As you can see, login form, and it has the code here. These are the code for login form. Also I have form 2. Form 2 is the user interface, which I have passenger details, travel details, ticket details, payment details, and this side of calculator and receipt. Then I have form 3. In this form 3 I have a database where you can change the data that is already there. Right now let me run the program and see how it works. Up and running, it is opening right now, and you have to input the username and password then in order to open this system. The username is that one, and the password right now is this one. I'm just entering right now. Upon entering, if you put wrong password, it will say invalid username or password. So I must enter the correct password. Right now let me enter the correct one. No, it says no again. Let me enter. Yeah, now it says welcome, you are now logged in. Click OK to continue. Upon clicking OK, the system now is opened. This is how it looks like. I have to enter the name of the passenger here on top, like Juma Abdul, and the address is box 45. Mobile phone number, assume this is a mobile phone number for this passenger. And email is ja at gmail.com. Fax, assume the fax is those numbers that I have just inputted. And right now let me enter the ticket details. This passenger wants to go with which class? Standard economy. And the ticket type is just return, assume. And this passenger is adult. And where I want to go, you want to go to Dodoma, assume. Upon entering those details, then I will click total. And upon clicking total, it will show the details here. Travel details are those ones. Shows time and date, reference number, everything is there from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma. Then there's this amount the passenger is supposed to pay. Then from there I will go direct to receipt. When clicking receipt there, I will click receipt and the information will be shown here. So this is the receipt. Everything is there, details and everything that is mentioned there. Then from there, when I click reset, I will reset everything that in this system, and you can input another data. From there, I want to show you, if you want to print the receipt here, you can print here, click print, then it will send you to print dialog box, and you can print the receipt to this one. Then from there I want to show you the database. I can click here on database. It will send me direct to database. In database here there is nothing. Right now I want to add the information that is there. Then I can click add. Upon clicking add, it will add the information which was there: reference number, name of the passenger, class, ticket type, from the restaurant to the dormer, and price. This one, total price. Then you can delete if you want to delete, but if you have more information you can add. As you can see, if you want to delete, you can highlight the row, and you can delete. And down to app reset, you can reset. Print also, if you want to print the information here, you can print too. It will send to the direct box and you can print. And if you want to exit, you can exit from this system. But now I don't want to exit. Now let me show you quick reset to reset the information. Upon clicking reset, to erase everything. Right now let me click exit to exit from the system. Click yes to exit from the system. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful time. See you next time.